Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, Edmund Mindaros, and for today's quick tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to resolve if you're coming across an issue on your Windows 11 or Windows 10 computer where the error reads that the Windows cannot connect to the printer operation failed with error 0x0000011B. Alright, so without further ado, and let's go ahead. So dito lang sa start menu, so click mo lang yan. And then dito sa searching bar ay search lang natin yung registry editor. And then select mo lang to run as administrator. Okay, so dito sa registry editor, so before you proceed in the registry, we need to create first a backup of it. So anything to go wrong, you could easily restore it. Kung paano ba mag-create ng backup. So dito lang sa left side, click mo lang tong file. And then select mo lang tong export. So dito sa export registry file, so select ka lang dito kung saan mo sisave yung file. And then ka naman na mag-create ng file name and then click mo tong save. Ganoon lang po kasimple. Alright, so proceed na tayo. Ang next step ay kailangan lang select tong HK local machine. And then next ay kailangan lang select tong systems. Click mo lang ito. And then dito sa system ay kailangan lang select tong current control set to siya. So click mo lang yan. And then dito sa current control set, kailangan lang select itong control. Okay? So click mo lang tong arrow na to para mag-expand. And then next, ay kailangan mo lang i-select itong print. Okay, so scroll tayo, and then ito siya. So dito sa print, so click mo lang ito, and then dito lang sa blank space, so kailangan mo lang mag-right click. And then click mo itong new, and then click mo lang itong viewer 32-bit values, click mo lang yan. And then dito ay kailangan lang natin mag-rename. Okay, so ito yung ilalagay natin na keyword na RPC EU10 level privacy enabled. So ito yung ilalagay natin. So capital R, and then small PC, ayan, and then capital E, and then UTHN, and then next level, and then next capital P, privacy, and then next I, E, enabled. Ayan, so ito yung ilalagay natin, RPC, EUTHEN, label privacy, enabled. So ito yung complete na ilalagay natin, and then press mo lang itong enter. So dito ay kailangan mo lang mag-double click. So double click mo lang. And then dito naman sa kanyang edit word 32-bit value ay dito sa kanyang value dito ay kailangan naka-0 siya. Alright? So ilagay mo lang dito 0. Di-click mo ito okay. And then close lang tayo dito. So exit na tayo dito. Okay? So close natin. And then next ay kailangan mo lang mag-restart. Okay? So click mo lang itong start menu and then click mo lang itong restart. Ayan. So ganun lang po kasimple mga kaibigan kung paano natin i-fix yung Windows cannot connect printer operation failed error 0x0000011B mga kaibigan. Alright, so please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel for more quality content. Thank you guys and see you in my next tutorial.